The green disc is an ecological power tool for your bike chain care. It takes just seconds to prepare your bike for the next trip. The green disc is super easy to handle and leak-proof. No oil dripping on the ground, no more dirty hands, no more greasy fingers, and no chain goo on your clothes. With the green disc, your bike is ready for use again in a few seconds. Simply hold the green disc between your fingers, press it slightly onto your chain, and turn the crank backwards. Everything else happens automatically. When the job's done, your hands look like freshly washed, and you can put the green disc's oil-tight can in your pocket, your bag, or backpack.
With one charge, you can lubricate your chain up to 10 times. Refilling the green disc is super easy. You open up the disc and soak the lubricator wheel with oil. Close the disc and it's ready for use again. Once the lubricator wheel is dirty, it's really easy to change. And by using our organic chain lube, you can really help keep the environment clean because everything you see here is biodegradable.
The green disc saves oil up to 90%. That's good for you and good for the environment. The green disc is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour.
This is MOFT, the world's first invisible sit-stand laptop desk. It has a Z structure that stands up in seconds and folds back like paper. Easy, flexible, and invisible to be stored anywhere you want. It takes the stress off your back with a quick standing, making a joyful, relaxing posture without interrupting your mind and thoughts. The fiberglass material makes it thin yet durable after folding for thousands of times. And the Z structure with magnetic attachment helps you type stable and steady in the air with all kinds of laptops on your hands. MOFT also provides 3 different angles to use when you sit down. You can type, read and write, browse, or make the laptop a monitor while using accessories comfortably in your chair. Try MOFT, a new way to lift your body, your laptop, and your working spirit, transforming in anywhere at any time.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to Pico. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. Pico is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. Pico lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
Flying coolers are boring, break easily, and are a pain to get to and from your destination. I wanted a cooler that was really well built, yet had so much fun built into it that I would look for excuses to get outside and enjoy it. So, I created the Coolest. The Coolest is a complete redesign of what a cooler can be. First, you've got this 18-volt rechargeable blender. You don't realize the number of places you could really go for a blended cocktail or smoothie until you've got a blender built right into the lid. You're already carrying around a cooler full of ice and tasty beverages. Why not blend them up and become a summertime hero anytime, anywhere? And what's a party without music? The Coolest comes with a removable Bluetooth speaker that connects to any smartphone to wirelessly stream music from up to 30 feet away. It's amazing where speaker technology has come in the last few years. You can skip songs and adjust the volume right from your phone, and this little box can really put out some sound. And since you've got that 18-volt battery for the blender, why not get the most out of it? Maybe your camera battery is low, or maybe you have an iPhone and want to use it after 2 in the afternoon. Recharge your gear wherever you are with this waterproof USB charger. The party doesn't stop just because the sun goes down, and you shouldn't have to freeze your fingers searching endlessly for your favorite drink. The Coolest has waterproof LED lights embedded in the lid so you can easily find what you're looking for with the push of a button. One of the biggest hassles of outdoor fun is hauling your gear back and forth from the car, and I've experimented with various ways to solve the problem. I love coolers with wheels, but I hate that they refuse to help carry anything else. The Coolest has you covered with locking tie-down bungees, so you can carry all your stuff in just one trip. And what about getting organized to go out in the first place? The Coolest helps out almost like a picnic basket to make sure you always have a few key essentials with built-in storage for reusable plates, cutting boards, and this awesome rust-proof ceramic knife. Plus, the removable divider gives you a whole new level of flexible packing options. You can pull the drain plug on one side and your Coolest can stay dry and cool just like your refrigerator. Say goodbye to soggy sandwiches. Regular cooler tires are flimsy and sink right into the sand. We designed the Coolest wheels to be twice as wide to roll twice as easily. And how many hours of your life have you lost looking for a bottle opener? My grandpa's cooler had one, and so does the Coolest.
The worst thing about flying is being physically crunched, trying to politely share the small space between you. It can be awkward, especially who gets the armrest, how much of it, and for how long. Since the average armrest is about 2 inches wide, attempting to share it equally seems impossible. Until now, join the movement to unfold savvier skies with soarigami, an elegant and innovative armrest extender inspired by origami, the Japanese art of paper folding. Ideal for frequent flyers, soarigami divides and extends both sides of the airplane armrest to expand elbow space for both travelers and create a full physical separation. It's a win-win. Lightweight and compact, stylish and streamlined, soarigami folds flat like a piece of paper into your carry-on. Simply spring it into shape and secure the winglets over nearly every airplane armrest to end in-flight armrest battles once and for all.
Hey, we're the How To Travelers.
And we love products that make traveling more easy and fun.
So I've had standoffs with strangers over the airplane armrest, but as soon as I clip on the soarigami, the mood lightens as if there's this unspoken truce, but without the war.
Yeah, and it acts as this buffer zone, right? Where there's no weird like elbow to elbow contact with a stranger. It just makes flying more spacious and comfortable for everyone.
Soarigami is awesome.
It is.
Soarigami calls an unspoken truce in the once eternal battle for the airplane armrest. You'll love feeling physically and socially comfortable thanks to Soarigami. Why delay? Order today.